This video was sponsored by Enhance, NeoWatt, ABRP, Elbilmek, Kempower and EB Hub. Right, we're back home. Let's take a look at the result. So, the Puma, how fast was it? Well, the Volkswagen ID.3 Pure was faster, and then the Model 3 Standard is even faster, around 6.2 seconds. But that's pretty much the fastest in this comparison, depending on how wide the money range you look at. Firefly was slightly slower. Renault 5 was also a little bit slower, just barely. And then down here we have the EC4, and then Insta is over 10 seconds. That's the slowest out there. So, I mean, okay, here it kind of ends up in the middle, roughly 7.8 seconds. Still considered fairly snappy. It doesn't have that much horsepower, see, less than the ID.3 Pure, well, just barely. But it's relatively light, so yeah. But when it comes to noise, though, there it doesn't look very good, because Puma is here with 68.7 decibel, and that is actually quite high, along with Polestar 2 and many of the old Tesla Model 3 here. But if you go further up, okay, 68.7. Here you find Model 3 Standard, 67.7. The Citroen EC4, but that was tested a while ago, but still kind of relevant. Firefly was better. Further up here, you see Renault 5 was also better in noise. Further up here, you see the ID.3 Pure, and that's pretty much the highest in this, yeah, with the yellow marking. So, in this comparison, though, when it comes to noise, the Puma is actually the worst, and only 18. Okay, maybe if you get 17-inch wheels, it'd be better, but I mean, you kind of see the whole scale here that this is not very good in terms of noise. So yeah, I guess as long as you don't have that rough asphalt like we have in Norway, and if you go for 17-inch wheels, then you actually get okay noise performance. And then when it comes to the actuation, also roughly in the middle there. So that's going to be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching, and talk to you later.